Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy DuB back here with another reaction video. We finna watch My New Son Made Me Miss WooWop. There's no replacing him. By the no other Snake 1.0 DuB. Let's get straight into this bitch. Talk to me, gang.
This is so loud. Join his OnlyFans. And got my son, well, my supposedly son promoting it?
It's gonna be an easy signing.
Titanium or
Titanium, yep. Crazy. It'll be some unreleased.
can't think of it.
Come on.
So, it's official. WooWop is finally with my brother. And they're doing mukbangs. In the back of a Maybach. But a Maybach can't do this, right? A Maybach can't play a YouTube video in the car, can he?
Nigga sad inside. Nigga sad inside. Nigga about to start crying.
You know what? I'm finna go get my son and do a mukbang. It's Sunday, so we can't go to Chick-fil-A, so.
Better go get some McDonald's.
Yeah. Let's go somewhere else. Alright, what's good, YouTube? You know how I always do these mukbangs with my son, WooWop. And that's right, what's your name? WooWop, right? And remember, we always go, we always do
Look at that,
mukbangs,
they still, and they dare went to McDonald's. What the fuck did I say, bro? I'm like a genius,
right?
bro. Respectfully.
We always do mukbangs, right? And we talk about a lot of fun stuff in our mukbangs, right? So I got you a chicken nugget Happy Meal.
Happy Meal?
Happy Meal.
Who said it? I see something.
Yup.
A toy.
A toy.
Please open it.
Please open it.
Yeah. It's awesome.
So how Fortnite been? Here, you want me to open your stuff for you? So we're gonna talk about when you and your girlfriend went on a date, alright? Alright, tell me how it was. Here. Here.
Yum.
So how was it when you and your girlfriend went on a date? WooWop. Yeah? That's how it went? Huh?
Nah.
There go your juice.
So it just says, yeah.
So, let me teach these people something real quick. So I want to teach y'all something. So go to your McDonald's. I hate McDonald's, but go to McDonald's, get you a spicy buffalo, right?
I fuck with the buffalo heavy. I fuck with that buffalo from McDonald's heavy, bro. That shit slap, nigga. Some of y'all niggas don't know that, bro. This nigga DuB right here, it's, me and DuB right now is putting you on to game, bro. The buffalo sauce from McDonald's is, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Shit slap, bro.
Pour it in here, as you can see. Pour it in here, right?
See, I don't pour it. I just dip it, my boy. You doing too much.
Yo, tell us about your girl. She got a booty?
Girlfriend.
What about your girlfriend?
My girlfriend is half nose and mouth.
She got a nose and a mouth. For real?
And a feet.
She got a feet. Why you ain't WooWop, your girlfriend got a feet and a nose? Man, God. Hey, drink some juice, man. You drinking that too fast. Drink
Nah,
some tea.
word.
Look,
This nigga hungry. Nigga try to eat that shit without drinking.
some
Like,
salt
damn,
and some sweet and sour and buffalo mixed together. It ain't like that.
See, I don't do that. See, he's doing some fat shit. That's some fat shit. Now you're doing too much. I just dip it inside the buffalo sauce and I dip it inside the fucking sweet and sour, whichever sauce I have, nigga. I don't do both at the same time. I don't pour it on my chicken nuggets. You do too much. It's some fast shit. Come on, dog.
And then you gonna shake it. So what about your girlfriend? Y'all y'all kiss? Y'all kiss?
Nigga said yeah.
What happened when y'all kissed?
This.
What happened?
I kissed my girlfriend, so this girlfriend have CVs, so he went away.
Wait, what happened?
My girlfriend was swimming, and you see the fish like this.
Oh, so she left for Spider-Man? Oh. And what else happened?
Cause,
Taurus?
yeah, Taurus is with my girlfriend and went away cause I found a fly.
He put his fist in her? That's dangerous.
Oh shit.
I'm sharp.
Oh shit, Crip?
Hey, say Crip.
For real? When you become Crip, what? Huh?
Sharp. I tried.
Oh, outside? Yep. Yep.
Nigga, why you keep closing and opening the chicken nuggets? You know you want to keep that shit open, nigga. You know you want to eat all that shit, bro. Come on, bro. You don't have to be shy. Nigga, dog.
So how school been?
Cause it's awesome.
Awesome? We hate Moo, don't we? DDG sucks, don't he?
Yes.
He's like the worst rapper, right? And Gunna killed him on his song, didn't he?
Yeah.
What do you rate Moonwalking 1 through 10?
Cause I was TV. Cause
No, Moonwalking 1 to 10. What do you rank WooWop? I mean Moonwalking 1 through 10.
Cause
10?
yeah.
You like it? You like that song? You only like Blueface part though, right? Don't you? Nobody even heard the original version today. Say I hate you, DDG.
Yes, DC.
Say it again.
I hate her, DC.
You hate DDG, right? Say your music is trash, DDG.
Yes, fast, DC.
No, say it again. Your music is trash, DDG.
Yes, fast, DC.
Your music is fast, DDG? No, trash.
You're French or something? You're a dinosaur? You a French dinosaur? Or
Nigga,
something?
you're a French dinosaur or something?
Why you eating my fries?
Nigga took his fries. Nigga put it back. Damn, dog. Damn, the kid can't even get one fry from your shit, you fat ass. Damn, son. Nigga was about to
Nah,
attack
eat
the
that
kid
one.
for the fry.
Here,
Nigga said no, he don't want it no more.
say
Nigga said you
Say,
really pressed me about it, nigga, I don't want it now.
DDG, you ain't better than Dub.
Just better those.
Are you French, bro?
Are you French?
Where are you from? You from Paris?
No, I come from my mommy's house.
Oh, you came from your mommy house?
Sound from my mommy's house.
That's my woman. You know? Of course you came from mommy house.
My grandma at my house. Cause
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Hey,
Hmm?
I ain't gonna lie to you. Hey, this ain't working out.
Yeah, this nigga a
You heard me?
dinosaur. This nigga a dinosaur.
This ain't working out.
Yeah, his past life, this nigga was a dinosaur. You is? What's
Hey,
this?
listen. Did you say C?
see,
Hey, listen to me. This ain't working out, bro.
yeah, talking about.
Hey, listen. This ain't working out, bro.
See,
This ain't working out.
see,
I see, but this ain't working out. I I don't want you as my son no more. Okay?
Okay.
Nigga don't care.
This is
Nigga
my
say
last
okay.
time seeing you, bro. All right? You can hide this car. You can hide this camera.
Nigga say you can have
I'm
it.
good. I don't want to see you no more, all right? I want you out my life. Because you ain't WooWop. You woppity woo-woo. That's what you
Woppity
is.
wheel.
What's your name?
WooWop.
No, what's your name, though? What's your real name?
WooWop.
See what you did, though?
Nah.
You see what you did, though? Now you finna go to school saying they WooWop.
What's your name? Christopher? Denim? Levi.
I ain't gonna lie, Denim as a name? You don't think that's a fire name? I ain't gonna lie, bro. I never thought of that, bro. It sound kind of fire, though. Denim, come over here, Denim. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's not kind of fire.
That's what we're gonna call you, Levi.
Yeah. I Levi. No.
Matter of fact, get out of my car. Get out of my
That
car.
nigga said,
Get out.
yo, he really finna get out, though.
To open the toy.
I'm gonna open it for you.
Yeah.
Get out of my car. I don't want to see you no more.
He don't care.
You ain't the WooWop.
I tried it down.
Let me help you out.
Alright, my
I'm weak, bro. I hate when they fucking end it. You lucky I'm in a group. I hate when they end it like that, bro. Like with nothing, bro. With saying nothing, bro. I hate that shit, bro. Like what the fuck, bro. But with that being said, that's for the video. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you enjoy. Like I always say, 13th way or no way. You dig?